I'm ready to get to work because I'm here at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods with my friend Steve Stack. Hello, Steve.
Welcome back again.
I'm happy to be here. We have this pre-hung door unit that we recently installed, but if I'm being honest, Steve, it looks a little unfinished. So I've come to you because I hear you can help me out.
This is where it gets fun. Today, we're going to case this door unit out. We're going to show a couple different examples today.
All right, so what's that one?
Okay, this is it's our 3.5-inch Craftsman-style. It crosses boundaries. It can go modern farmhouse.
Sure.
It can go contemporary.
Right.
It can go the basic primitive. And we're showing everything in prime poplar. I gave you the little tri-square.
What is this called? A tri-square?
Tri-square.
It's not even a square, though.
Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. Works 3 different ways, right? But I had it set for 3/16. I've taken earlier and made a pencil line, and we have equal spacing all the way around, which will create a reveal.
Okay.
Okay? And you do that for uniformity, and you also create another architectural line, and it allows the depth of the molding to show off rather than keeping it flush. You lose a little something.
So what does the reveal actually do?
Okay.
Oh, because you can slightly see
Right.
it.
Okay. When we're done with this, it's going to completely change the appearance of the door.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay. Glasses. I've put a base plinth in place already. It exceeds the width of the casing by a little bit.
Right, so this is the plinth.
That's the plinth.
All right.
All right. And it's a little bit thicker. And again, we're going to create depth of field and another line.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see how we did.
Right here?
Yep, that'll do. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to get one there.
All right.
Okay. I'll take this. It might be a little bit easier to reach.
Now, what are those called again?
Rosettes.
And again, this is completely optional. I mean, someone could go with this horizontally, but you're just adding that extra level of creativity and beauty.
Yeah, hold that demonstration wall for me, would you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Right. Wow, that looks so nice.
The beauty of this, for the DIYer,
Yeah.
there's no miters involved. Everything's square cut.
Right.
Right? But
this is
what a beautiful classic look, right?
And again, this is something where people can come to Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. They can have a drawing of what they're envisioning and the measurements, and you can literally make it possible for them to have their dream design within their home.
Our sales guys at the counter will guide you through it, or our phone sales guys, and BairdBrothers.com, our website.
Yeah.
We wanted to show some different options. So the plinth blocks, that's
Beautiful.
one option. Then there's a conventional 45 miter cut.
Okay.
That's a nice strong 45 joint.
Okay.
And that would appear like that.
Right, okay.
Completely different look.
Yeah.
This dresses the door, I think. This blends to the
But
door.
I do like the clean aesthetic.
You're gonna love the next one.
Okay.
All right. Glasses gun. You go ahead.
Right here?
Okay, so now we can walk this top back into our line.
Okay.
You give me one up in that area. Great. Again, the beauty of the woodworking, you get creative. Earlier, we had you on the miter saw, right? And cutting the molding pieces that I went ahead and assembled. And this is referred to as a window or door pediment head. So now,
Oh, wow. Oh, I love that.
right?
I love the look
Can you
of
reach
that.
out?
I think so. Where should I put the nail?
Anywhere in
Anywhere. Okay, you got it. Yep. Okay. Wow. That's incredible, Steve.
there. Look what it's done for our little
Yeah.
partition wall.
These are just 2 examples of what you can find here at Baird Brothers.
If you can sketch it on a piece
Yeah.
of paper, we'll help
Yeah.
you achieve it.
Yeah, Steve, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I appreciate you.
Thank you.